Hello, my name is Andrew Greenfield, and I am a global storage and network engineer for IBM. Today I'd like to take you on a tour of the new management interface for the A9000 family set of arrays. Please, first and foremost, let's take a journey back to 2009 when we had the XIV. The GUI changed the entire industry. And why? Because it was simple, it was easy to use, far easier than any of the competitors, let alone our own products. In less than 3 mouse clicks for the most part, you could do anything without picking up a manual, without reading complex journals, or knowing very much about storage fundamentals. And it did so easily at a great performance and price ratio. Now that was in 2009. Fast forward now to 2016. Moshe Weiss and his talented team in Israel, Tel Aviv, have come up with an evolution of that original GUI for the A9000. And why? We have evolved as well. We now have very complex systems with just virtual machines and virtual switches, as well as cloud-based computing. So we need an interface that no longer just focuses on one particular layer, a storage layer in this case, but an entire infrastructure. And that's where I'm going to introduce to you the concept in the A9000 GUI, Hyperscale Manager, where basically we have rings, and those metaphors of rings are what going to take us to the next level, where we're able to see those rings so that when you make a change in one particular area, you can see how easily it's linked to every other area. Now, we've seen this in Hollywood. That's part of the reason why you're seeing some of these scenes right now. We've seen this in Minority Report as early as 2002. We've actually seen it in Iron Man way back when in 2008. And now let's take a look at what we're going to do with the A9000 GUI. We're going to use the Google Type Ahead navigation. You'll see this live very soon. We also included the 3D hardware view, which everyone was already familiar with, and most importantly, the fact that it's all HTML5. You can do this on your phone, your tablet, your phablet, or of course a computer, a browser, and you'll see how everything is connected through a series of rings. As you notice down below here, we'll have this live in just a few seconds. So sit back, take a look at the new A9000 GUI, which I think is going to show you the next wave of how to do things very simply and easily across your entire infrastructure.